Okay, pilots, we're gonna put the wings on my Freewing Yak-130. Now, since I've put LED lights in it, I've had to cut a new channel for those leads to go into the fuselage. Now, you can see where my leads are coming up out there at the tip. So right in this area right in here is where my leads are going to have to go into the fuselage. Now that's a good 4.5 inches there that I've got to go through. And I've also got to miss my intake. I don't want to puncture and go into my intake here. I'm putting my finger here in a little area. And I'm aiming. That's the only thing I'm worried about right now. And when I was doing the other wing, I've already got the other wing mounted. I was worried about going through the intake. I was worried about hitting some reinforcement they've got inside here. And my screwdriver hit my fingertip right in the middle. Right dead in the middle. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Right dead in the middle. Huh? Of course, I hadn't went in with the drill bit yet because I've got to make this channel big enough for a LED plug to go through. Alright, there's my hole. I'm going to put my screwdriver in it. I'm going to hold my bit and trying to hold it in the same angle that screwdriver's in. We'll go up here and I'm going to start going at it. We'll go in about 2 inches. Stop spinning my bit. Just kind of pull out some foam there. Spin it. Pull out some foam. Look here. Now we'll make sure. Just going little ways at a time. Trying to get all that out of there. Excuse me. I've got to literally bury that drill bit in it to get all the way through. I know I'm not going through, but I'm just making sure I'm going in the right angle. Following that hole. Now where the leads are coming out of the wing and where this hole is, doesn't exactly have to be perfect. As you can always, I had to cut a little channel on the other side. Should be getting close here. There it goes. There's a lot coming out this end. Big old chunk. Wallering it out there, wallering it out. We're gonna go with that. Now, I'll go get them. Where'd he go? Where'd you go? Go get them. On the floor. Jiminy Crickets, sirs, go get them. Go get them. I'm gonna plug my extension on the end of the marker light that was too short. Making sure my polarity making sure my polarity. As a matter of fact, let me go get my glasses. Okay. Alright, and the instructions tell you where you have two small short spars, you want to glue your spar into the wing. See? And I'm going to put my spar in the hole with no glue. Just kind of wiggle it around there and just get started somehow. There we go. Now, I'll tell you why. I got the wing round backwards. Alright, now I'm going to hook my leads here. Then I'll go get them rod. A fishing rod. Got to keep them in line so it'd be as small of a package going through there as possible. So I get them all in line, man. the cage yet. Don't move. Come on, ice cream. Alright. At least that bit's through. Let's see here. Get it up there where it won't spin so much. I've got to get it in through here and grab a hold of this one. Where did it go? There it is. And finish pulling that plug through. I've got all my LEDs going through. Alright. Flaps. Making sure of polarity, I'm plugging in my flaps. With a new secure hook plug. And I've got ailerons. Checking polarity. Can't get it in there with the safety plug latch on it. That one's in. That one's in. Checking polarity once more. Okay. That gives you plenty of room in here to stuff those leads down into it. Get them out of the way. And noting the landing gear leads goes right through the hole and goes into the fuselage right there. Okay, my hole just got just a little bit off on my leads for the LEDs. So I'll take my hobby knife, get that lead out of the way, cut a 45-degree angle this way. Come underneath very carefully not to hit my plane. Nowhere but where I want it to. Cut my little valley there out. Just cut a little valley out of it. Just for that lead to go in nice and comfortably. Like a glove. Like a glove. Like a glove. Full size Phillips head screwdriver with about, I don't know, 4mm long screw with a big head on the end of it. Let's just get it started there. Let's get our other one going. LED lead run right down the slat panel line. Got it moved around where it won't affect the screw going in. Give that a little tug. Give that a little snug. There we go, we've got our wings on. With LEDs. Marker lights, navigation lights. And we got landing lights. That should come on and off while the gear goes up and down due to the control box that you wire into your landing gear. So I've got my wings on my Yak-130. On to the next episode. I'm out.